Alright guys, you guys seen the lineup in the intro. We're going to go ahead and go over all the vehicles one at a time. We're going to break it down into different videos. What we're going to do is go over each vehicle, let you know what it is, what's been done to it, and I'm going to put all the links to each part that we've used in the description. It's all off of Amazon, so if you want something like this, check it out. This one is a G-Made Buffalo. This one's the Army Edition. Doesn't quite look like the Army Edition. I didn't want to stay with the similarities to everybody else. Done in the red with a heavy white pearl, as you guys can see the pearlescent in it. We're running some BFG K-crawlers with aluminum bead locks with added weight to them. So these things got a little bit of weight to them. Stock suspension, stock axles. This one's stock done at 14% overdrive in the front. So this thing crawls real nice. Let's go ahead and pop the lid off so we can show everything inside. Alright, here's with the lid off. We are running a 1080 Hobby Wing ESC. Really good programming for a crawler. I mean, you can get a lot of stuff out of that. Everything else is pretty much stock as it would come with it. It does not come with a shifter servo, so I just put just a generic servo in there. It works. It doesn't have to be strong, doesn't have to be metal or anything. Be nice if it was waterproof, but it's a shifter servo. This is a 2-speed transmission in this truck with a forward mount motor, which the motor we're running is a Hobby Wing Crawl Master 10 turn. This thing is a beast when it comes to just torque out of the box. I like it. I've had no problems. Steering servo, we gone ahead and went with the DC Motor Works coreless brushless motor, metal geared. This thing will handle up to 7.2 or 7.4 volt, so you can up the voltage on this thing and just make it ridiculous. But guys, this is number 1 build. This is number 1 we're taking. Just wanted to kind of share it with you. We're going to go over each build each day. You see in the background, we got some accessories to add to one. Got a pile of tires. I don't know if we're going to do tires or anything on any of them. I'm kind of happy with the tires that we got. Going to go through maintenance, clean them, shock oils, make sure everything functions. We're going to run each one, just kind of test it, make sure they're all good. Well guys, I appreciate you stopping by. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And don't forget, we are doing a 2,000 subscriber giveaway. So if you're not subscribed yet, you need to hurry up and get there so you have a chance to win a brand, well, it's a build truck from me. All right, guys, I appreciate it. We're going to catch you on the next episode. Have a good one.